Hi, it's Nicholas. Welcome to my unfair advantage. Unfair advantage is about software and also a training course teach you how to monetize to use the Amazon. There's a big market for marketer and how to also to make use of YouTube. This is also implement how to get your buyers. So in this video, I'm going to show you the inside the members area, and I also have some exclusive bonus related to unfair advantage. And also I will go through the upsell and price as well. If this is something you are interested in, please stay with me till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and hit subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I also have some exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number 1, you will get 10 high converting campaigns for you to use to sell them. This is also the Amazon. Amazon is also have many e-commerce products you can use. This is a campaign for you for your reference. Bonus number 2 is how to find hot selling items to sell on your e-commerce store. This is also how to do other than 10 company, but you have another idea how to find high converting items. This is also a very typical. Bonus number 3 is features how to use Instagram story to 10x your engagement and sales. And Instagram also an image. Many people go there and as the marketplace to sell their physical product as well as e-commerce such as Shopify, AliExpress. This is also you don't underestimate. Bonus number 4 is how to write compelling headline. This is also a very important when you want to sell anything. The copywriting and techniques is very powerful. If you have a killing headline that will cultivate your audience instantly. Bonus number 5 is pin campaign, the full video training, that's how to automate and tune for Pinterest in another very large social media as well as such as Google search engine. Over 80% of women they are stay-at-home mom or single mom. They have ready card and ready to buy something. And this platform has many buyers and how to utilize their e-commerce store. So this is also a big market for you to tap into. Bonus number 6 is a course named Storm Online. Is well, and I remember this is also launched to this year May, but I'm not exactly remember the time. This is a complete training how to optimize the popular article site. This is Medium. Medium is article site, monetize other people content, and also they have included software. Using the software that generate unique content that you can insert your affiliate link inside. And bonus number 7 is another training course. Aperture high roller. This is also a method how to implement video apertures. The profit margin, because the profit margin are huge, easy, super easy and quick to implement. Expect to make money from it very fast. This is a very good training course. Bonus number 8 is another training course called Lazy Profit Engine 2.0. And what you will learn is how to tap into a source of free traffic in the simplest way, and also it helps you build a massive income stream and work on complete autopilot. This is also you will get all the exclusive bonus from vendor. If this is something you are interested in, please click the link below in the description. The first link is will come to my bonus page. Before the countdown timer, when you hit zero, when you purchase dinner and you do button and go through the sales page, and you will all my exclusive bonus will be automatically delivered inside the Warrior Plus. So this is also a very awesome. So let's take a look at sales page. Take a look at sales page. What is the unfair advantage? The advantage group is and we found a loophole inside 200 $280 billion company, and this is also Amazon. He paid us $50 a day passively. This is how you can replicate our result within 20 minutes. This is no one else is doing. This is the quickest result you will ever do. No one else is doing this 100% unique method. Super friendly for beginner. They must set up in 20 minutes. Work in any niche. And also this is sizable to my 20,000 income potential. This is also a very long sales page, so you can go it for you. And let's take a look at what inside in the members area. This members area is very clean and easy for you to follow. This is also you can see the members area. The first video is typically and you have to go through them. What is the method? Is Tom Leader will go through everything inside the members area about how to go through for it. It's also for 5 steps. Step 2 is video. This is also the main training how to do that. Video 1 is about how to join the Amazon associate and also how to find your link. Video 2 is will find your link how to use it. Video 3 is about go through how to use their software. Video 4 and 5 is about the campaign. This is also a campaign you can use for your video. You don't have to use your Facebook, but this is also how to copy and paste from Amazon product. There are headline, sub-headline, photo, something like that. You can copy and paste it, and then you will place and you can place it in video. Video 6 is about how to monetize the video before you upload to YouTube. This is how to do that. This is very easy sample and just under 10 minutes. Some of the video is just 2 to 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. And the longest is no longer than the studio. Go through very fast and easy. As access and step 3 is access your software. This is all how to get started from your video on your software. It's just in 4 minutes you will go through. This is very newbie friendly. You will easier follow the step. This is also very helpful how to run your video very fast. Step 2 is a campaign that you can go through. This step 4 is just to download the campaign. And in this video 4 and 5 is about how to use it. You can go through and you can go through how to use them in your video. This is no face. You don't have to show your face in the camera. It is very easy for you to do that. Bonus part is also about the bonus area. The bonus area is about all the bonus listed in the sales page. You will get them inside the members area. This is all included in this front end. And other than the bonus area, you also see other unfair advantage. You think that copy after we do it for you, professional edition, and guarantee that career. All of them are upsell. So lastly, I also want to learn what is the upsell and the price. I will also go through what are they. The front end is just about $17. $17 is the front end with a software system, and combine the Loophole on Amazon and our offshore and software. Create one unfair advantage property. Is just 10 minutes. You our 2 minutes top post it, and you will guarantee page 1 the ranking. It is you will get clicks. And step 3 is when someone click on it, you will code it with your cookie for anything they purchase for Amazon. We have one hack for low hack and one hack for high end products. You will you end up with have learn more money. Waste and repeat. When you post and more posts, you will impossible to make commissions. This is also the why this unfair advantage works. Upsell number 1 is unprinted $37, downsell $27. That is you. And the front end is just 20 software and 20 search per day. But it is also will get unlimited search. It is also will get their high ticket, their high hack. Someone click on your link, you will high ticket order will stay the cookie for 90 days. But if you have no, this also will the cookie will expire in 24 hours. So I highly recommend you should grab this option number 1. Option number 2 is copy us. It's also the full case study. This is all event and the creator which there's 12 years old daughter. How to go for $0 to $50 per day in less than. This also you will copy them everything to this. So if you want to speed up your result, I highly recommend you could grab this for $27. You will full case study how to go through in just one week. You will go from $0 to $50 per day. This is no brainer. This is also to cover your investment in 1 week just for $27. Option number 3 is about we do it for you $97 downsell with $67. With this downsell, it is done for you upgrade. They will giving their done for you best selling campaign and the list of the hottest niches to hit. If you want to boost your result as soon as possible, you don't have to try and test it out. And I highly recommend you can grab it for $67. Option number 5 is the professional edition, $37 with downsell $27. It's also included 4K video template, graphic, built-in the video editor. Also come with full commercial rights to everything. Last option is our guarantee career. $197 come with downsell $97. It's guaranteed to make an actual affair, which will walk you through personal coach over 6 weeks. Every week with a webinar to personal how to do that. This is also you will get all my exclusive bonus and before the countdown timer hit 0. And bonus number 1, 10 high converting campaign. Bonus number 2, hot selling e-commerce item. Bonus number 3 is features how you use your Instagram story. Bonus number 4 is how to write compelling headline. Bonus number 5 is a pin template and how to complete automation tool for Pinterest. Bonus number 6 is a training course Storm Online. Bonus number 7, another training course Aperture's High Roller. Bonus number 8, another lazy training course is about lazy profit engine. All of them is calculated to make more new money. So this is also where you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. Don't forget to when you are interested in click the link below in the description. And the first link you will come to my bonus page when you purchase them and purchase them through the practice button and go through the sales page. You will all my exclusive bonus will be automatically delivered inside the Robert as the purchase file in this area. So thanks for taking time to check out my unfair advantage review and my bonus. Don't forget to hit the like, hit and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you later.